Diversity of living world. Diversity of living world. Biology is the science of life and living process. Biology is the science of life and living process. The living world comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. However, living organisms show fundamental similarity in many aspects, in many respects. The study of life involves a the study of life involves a the study of life involves a multidisciplinary approach involving many of the principles of chemistry, physics, and mathematics too at some places. Biological systems are the most complex chemical systems on the earth. The bodies of early organisms are at the cellular level. The bodies of early organisms are at the cellular level. However, ఏది ఎప్పటికి కూడా ఇప్పుడు దీనికి సంబంధం లే. Large an organism is cells. Large an organism is cells. However, large an organism is cells. Large an organism is cells. Cells of an organism are the basic units of structure and function. Basic units of structure and function. Organisms constantly interact with their surroundings. Environment with their surrounding environment, exchanging energy and recycling materials. The intricate chemical processes of cells are based on the basic principles of chemistry. Each level of biological organization involves energy transactions governed by the laws of thermodynamics. The fundamental source of